Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to another video from Pentaloft. And today I'm going to review the Samsung Galaxy A10. This phone is a very nice phone, and I've researched about it on the internet, and it has some pretty good specs for a device of its price range. It's a very low budget device and affordable, so I've decided to make this video for you guys so that you can know more about the phone before you can go and buy it in the market. So try and leave your comments below after watching this video and let me know what you think about this phone. The aim of making this video is to let you know about what you will find in the box after buying this device. Come to know what you should expect to get from the Samsung Galaxy A10. Right now we are going to jump straight to the unboxing of this beautiful device. Wow, the device looks really nice and it has the black color. It says Infinity V display, 15MP/5MP camera. Nice. Slim design. It says slim design. Looks good. Pretty cool. There you have this beautiful HD display on the phone. Well, this is just the unboxing of this video, so I don't need to say much about this device. It's just to bring it out of the box, so you should stay tuned and wait and anticipate for my next video, which is going to be the review, an in-depth review of this phone. And let's check out what's inside this white box. Obviously, the user manual. Yeah, everything comes with that. Warranty card. I think most of us don't go through this stuff. And this is the they call it quick start guide, the user manual. That's nice. And here we have the Type-C cable. Oh, it is not a Type-C cable. That's very sad. I was expecting a Type-C cable from the Samsung Galaxy A10, and sadly that simply means it's not going to support fast charging. Well, let's go to the next part. And also, as expected, we have the regular Samsung earpiece. I think they have been using this earpiece from way back. Let me bring it out so you can see it. This is what's it called? Yeah, that is that. What do we have here? This is the power brick, the nice Samsung charger. As you can see, this is certification, like a stamp of originality, authenticity from Samsung. Wow, I really love unboxing tech. It's very nice to have a new tech right in the house. Like, it smells really good. It smells like tech. Okay, now beneath the box there is a SIM ejector too. Use it to bring out the SIM card. And well, that's all for the unboxing of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.